All right, so some people have a thing called the red room. This is our R&D room. You can call it the red room or our R&D room. Here's where we come up with ideas, how to make spare parts, working out whether something's actually going to work before we go and try and produce it in steel. It's a nice little 3D printer working away here and feeding the material or the filament. R&D is important. If you don't know, R&D in Australia means research and development. People like us, we're the pioneers, we're coming up with the ideas, we're trying things that haven't ever been tried before. Another example is, like I said, all work and no play can get a bit boring here. So we're trying to work out what's the best way to make a Nerf gun. And here we've got your standard Nerf bullets. Just a very simple concept of, just put it here, of our battery, a variable speed controller, and 2 electric motors spinning. So I'll just turn this on. And sorry to the cameraman, but if I get you to hit you in advance, this thing is quick and accurate. And soon it'll have an automatic Uzi style. And like I said, that's R&D for you, doing things that are also fun.